Good morning, children. Welcome back to our mathematics class. This is for class 4, subject mathematics. Before going to start our class, let us see classroom rules once. Log in on time for the class by just clicking the link sent to you. You should face the camera. You must be ready with the textbook, notebook, pencil, etc. Do not talk or chat with others in the class. Do not interrupt the teacher while teaching. To clarify doubts, you may raise your hand and wait until the teacher responds. Student must answer only when called upon by the teacher. Student, I request all of you to follow the classroom rules. Today's our topic is the junk seller, already which we started in last class. Children, here I am giving one riddle to you. You must answer it to me. Okay? So unmute yourself for a while to give the answer. I start with T and ends with T. And within me is T. Who am I? Anyone from the class? I start with T and ends with T. And within me is T. Who am I? Anyone from the class can raise your hand, ma? Anyone from the class can raise your hand. Sharanya? Tell me, ma, Sharanya? Ask yourself on mute. Just click on the box, ma, there. You can unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me the answer. Sharanya? Unmute yourself, ma. Just click on the box there. Unmute yourself. Yeah, now tell me, what is the answer? Do you know the answer? I start with T, ends with T, and within me is T. Who am I? Anyone from the class? Harry? No? Shrija? Okay, then let me say. The answer is very simple. What is that? It is teapot. Okay. So, I start with T. In teapot, it starts with T and ends with T. And within me is T. In teapot, what we will have? T only, na? Okay, fine. Now, today we will do some problems on this T. Okay? How much for a cup of tea? How much for a cup of tea? Suppose if we went to tea stall, there we will drink some tea. So how much you will pay? How much you will pay? That we will see. Okay, ma? If a person who runs a tea stall earns 30 rupees in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days? And in a month? In 10 days, how much he will earn, we have to find. And in 1 month, how much he will earn, we have to find. That means, first of all, we need to find out for 10 days. Okay, let us see. earnings in one day. How much he will earn in one day? Sharanya?
30.
30? What is that? 30 rupees. Rupees?
30.
30 rupees. Good. So, if we want to find how much he will earn in 2 days, what you will do? Okay, let me give you an example. Cost of one pencil is 2 rupees. Cost of 2 pencils? Sharanya?
Ma'am.
Cost of one pencil is 2 rupees. Cost of 2 pencils?
4 rupees.
What you are doing there? What mathematical operation you are doing there? Place, into, minus, division, info in the 4 operations. Which operation you are doing there? How you find the answer? Pratibha, will you say the answer? Pratibha?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me the answer. What fundamental operation we have to use here?
Multiplication, teacher.
Very good. So, if earnings in one day is 30 rupees, so for 10 days, earnings in 10 days means this we have to multiply with 10. That means 30 rupees into 10 we need to find out. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Earnings in one day we have rupees 30. So, earnings in 10 days, which is nothing but 30 into 10 we need to find out. In last class, we learned that if you want to multiply with tens or...
Ma'am, we write that.
What, ma? You have to copy it in your classwork.
Okay.
When you are multiplying with tens, hundreds or thousands, we need to just write the number of zeros right of the number. So here we have rupees 30. How many zeros we have? 1 0. So you have to keep the 0 here. So how much he will earn in 10 days? How much he will earn in 10 days? 300 rupees. Okay? And in 1 month we need to find out. 1 month how many days we have? In 1 month how many days we have? In 1 month how many days you have?
Ma'am, 30 days.
Very good. 30 days. So earnings in 30 days. So rupees 30 into 30. So first we need to, when we are doing multiplication, tens it is fine for us. So first we have to multiply with 3 to 30. So how much we will get here? 90. Now how many zeros here we have? 0. 1 0 we need to keep right of that 90. So earnings in 30 days is rupees 900. Look at another question. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 60 in a day, how much will he earn in 5 days? How much will he earn in 10 days? How much will he earn in 31 days? This you have to answer in your classwork. Okay? Now coming to our story, Kiran's story. She is saying that I thought of starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. We took a loan of 8,000 rupees for the shop. Children, do you have any idea about loan? Taking a loan. Anyone from the class, please raise your hand, ma. Anyone of you know about loan? Harry, tell me, what is loan? Say loudly. I can't hear you. Harry, your voice is not audible. Joy? Joy, tell me, ma. Ujjwala?
A loan is we will take money and we will give money back.
How much money you will give back?
8,000.
8,000 only. If you take loan, you will give only back 8,000.
He will give 8,000 to me. I will give 8,000 to him. From few days.
That is if you know the person each other, without interest he will give you, so you will pay the back what you want, what you take the amount. But from banks and some other financial institutes, if we take money, we need to pay it back with interest. Okay, let us see what is a loan. Loan is a type of debit. A sum of money that is borrowed from banks or from some financial institutes or from a person that is expected to be paid back with interest. That means, suppose I took 1,000 rupees loan. Okay, I took 1,000 rupees loan from bank with 10% interest. That means every month I need to pay back 110 rupees. Here see the example. I have taken loan of 1,000 and want to pay in 10 months. Per month, I have to pay 110 rupees. So here the 100 is the principal amount and the interest is 10 rupees. So then what is the principal amount? Principal amount is the money that you originally agreed to pay back with the, and interest is the cost of the borrowing the principal. Okay, ma. That means I am taking rupees 1,000 as loan and I want to pay it in how many months? 10 months. That means 10 months is installments. That is installments. So what is an installment? An installment is paying of money that is either monthly or term towards the loan. So is it clear, ma? Here I have taken rupees 1,000 as loan and I want to pay in 10 months. That means, and in 10 months I have to pay 110 rupees. Okay. So here number of installments is 10 months. And what is the principal amount? 100 is the principal amount and interest is 10 rupees. Is it clear, ma? Any doubt in this? Okay. Then.
No, ma'am.
good. No, next. Here, Hariya and Babu want to buy a handcraft for rupees 300. Hariya and Babu both have taken loan from a bank. So Hariya took how much? Rupees 300 and Babu also took 300 rupees from a bank. But Hariya is saying that I will pay 51 rupees every month to the bank. So for 6 months, every month he is paying 51 rupees. So here, how much amount he has taken, ma? Hariya? 300 rupees. Amount to be paid in 1 month, how much? Every month means for 1 month he is paying. For 1 month he is paying 51 rupees. So time, how much time he is saying that installments is? 6 months. So now we need to find out how much money he paid in 6 months. So total money paid by Hariya in 6 months is money paid in 1 month in number of months. So 51 into 6, which is nothing but 306 rupees. Okay, you remember this. Now let us move to Babu. Babu, I have taken loan of 300 rupees from Chunial. After 6 months, I will pay back rupees 360. So after 6 months, how much he paid, ma? Babu paid 360 rupees. Who has to pay back more, Hariya or Babu? So let us see. Total money paid by Hariya in 6 months is 306 rupees. Okay? And total money paid by Babu in 6 months is 360 rupees. Who paid more? Devira? Who paid more? Unmute yourself.
Babu.
Very good. Babu paid more than Hariya. Babu paid more money than Hariya. Is it clear, ma? Any doubt in this? Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
Now, coming to the story, people laughed and teased us about our work. They called it Ganda Kam. Ganda Kam means dirty business. But I did not think so. I knew this idea would work. Now I want Laina to read the lesson. Laina, read it from here. From here, read it, ma. Do you have textbook with you? If you have textbook with you, page number 62, open it.
Yes,
Read
ma'am.
page number 62.
Now we have a
Pakka house,
Pakka house with
electricity,
electricity. We have a
fridge,
fridge, a TV, and a gas
stove.
gas stove. My husband's brother, sister, and also my daughter go to school.
Okay, stop it, ma.
I have
So, at first, what she said, Kiran? Did you remember? Her husband family is living in a mud house, and her husband's brothers, sisters, they are not going to school. Did you remember that words? But after starting the business, she earned more. So now they are having a pakka house with electricity, and they are having a fridge, TV, gas stove, etc. And her husband's brothers, sisters, and Kiran's daughter also going to school. Okay. So she earned a good amount in the business of selling junk. Okay. Now she's saying that, Pratibha, tell me the last 2 lines, ma. Read it.
I have 9 railways of my own. I give the
Pratibha, rickshaws. 9 rickshaws.
on rent, each of rupees 20 a day. One Sunday, I
On
do
Sundays.
not. One Sundays, I do not take any money for them.
On Sundays, not one it is, on Sundays. So what she done? Now she has 9 rickshaws on her own and she is giving those rickshaws for rent. What is the rate for each rickshaw? 20 rupees per day. On Sundays, I do not take any money from them. Now let us see how to do these problems.
Ma'am, this we should.
How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? Okay. For one rickshaw, she gets how many rupees now? How many rupees?
20. 20.
Rent on one rickshaw per day. How much, ma? 20 rupees.
Rupees.
Now, how many rickshaws she has? How many rickshaws she has?
9.
9 rickshaws.
Nine.
For rent on 9 rickshaws. So, how we will find it? 20 into 9. Now here we need to find out the multiplication. So 20 into 9. 9 zeros are 0.
0.
9 twos are 18. So what is the answer here? On 9 rickshaws she will earn per day how much money? 180 rupees.
180.
Okay. Now but she is saying that she is not taking money from on Sundays. So in 1 week, how many days we have?
7. 7.
In 1 week, how many days we have? 7 days.
7.
But she is not taking money on Sunday. That means how many days left there? How many days she is taking money?
6 days.
Days. So in 1 week, except Sunday. Money earned by Kiran in a week. Except Sunday. How many days there? 6 days. And per day, how much she is earning? Per day, how much
180.
she is earning? 180 rupees. 180 into 6. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Devira, multiply it and tell me the answer, ma. ₹1,080.
80.
1,080 rupees. All of you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Shall I rub, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranavi is saying no. Okay, I will wait. Don't worry. To do multiplication, we are having some tricks. Okay. 2 digit with 2 digit, I will say. 23 into 44, suppose we need to find out. Okay. Now, 23 into 44, we will write it like this. This multiplication we will do in 1 cross 1 method. 1 cross 1. That means, listen carefully. First, we need to multiply like this. 4 3s are 12. So cancel it and write it in ones place. Next, multiply like this, cross
8.
and add. 4 2s are 8.
8.
4 3s are
9.
12. 8. Pranavi, 4 3s are 12. Okay, now add them. How much you will get here? 20. And here we have the carry forward, plus 1. It is 21. Now write this 1 into the hundreds place. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus this 2. How much? 10. Okay. Shall we do this in normal method? 23 into 44. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 1, 9. Again, 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now add it. 9 plus 2, 11. Both we got in both process we got the same answer. Okay. If you practice this method, it is very easy for you. Did you understand this? Shall I explain it once again?
Ma'am, can you tell me the rent on 9 rickshaws? Okay, ma'am.
42 into 31. I told you 1 cross 1. So first we need to multiply like this. 2 ones are 2. Next, this cross multiplication and add. 4 ones are 4. 3 twos are 6. So how much we got here? 10. Now, again like this. 4 threes are 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1? 13. This is very useful trick for you to do multiplication 2 digit with 2 digit. Okay, ma? Now, we are going to one interesting topic. Okay? Ready for that? Here we are going to start math puzzles. Question number 1. 200 into 6. 200 into 6. No need to write the answer now. Later you have to complete the puzzles and send the answers to me. Question number 2. 31 into 9. 31 into 9. Next. Question number 3. 30 into 60. 30 into 60. Question number 4. 4 times 81. 4 times 81. Four times 81. Okay. Now, question number 5. Make sum of 45 using the given digits. Here we have given some digits. By using those digits, you have to make it sum of 45. We have to make 45. Okay. Next. Question number 6. Can you spot a mistake here? Question number 7. How many numbers can you see here? So here you have some numbers. How many numbers or digits? How many digits can you see here? Okay. You have to write the answer and send it to me. Next. Next, puzzle number 8. In what order will you see the colors from the top view? Here the options are given for you. This is the pyramid for you. From the top, what is the order? How you will look this pyramid from the top view? You have to choose the correct option. Here 5 options are there. From this, you have to choose the correct option. Okay. Next, puzzle number 9. Here some instructions are given for you. Sum should be 15. Here one square grid is given for you. Use only digits 1 to 9. Here you have to only use digits 1 to 9. Digits should not repeat. You should not repeat the digits. In every row, column, diagonal, the sum is 15. So, row means like this. Column means like this. Diagonal means cross. The sum should be 15. If you place the digits here, the sum should be 15. Okay? Next. Puzzle number 10. Sum should be 20. Same instructions. Use only digits 1 to 9. Digits should not repeat. In every row, sum is 20. Suppose if you place the numbers here, the sum in this row and in this row, you should get 20 there. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Complete the puzzles and send the answers to me to get the medal of Math Genius with your name on that. Okay, children? Children, did you enjoy the class, today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, did you enjoy today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class. You should answer all the puzzles and send the answers to me. And I will send the worksheet to you. Complete the worksheet and send the answers to me. Okay, children. Thank you, ma. Thank you, children. Bye, all of you. Have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
day.